Fill in the blanks with the right preposition. There are 4 options in it, and first of all, Ali is arriving dash June. 4 option in, on, at, to. With a month we shall use on always. Arriving in June. Second one, Anne is leaving dash Sunday. 4 option on, at, in, to. So with a day we shall use on, because on is the right preposition for our day. Next, I met Tom dash 9 p.m. 4 options in, on, to, and at. With a specific time we shall use at. So the sentences will be, I met Tom at 9 p.m. Next one is, he is knocking dash the door violently. Knock will always follow at. Knocking at the door, and this is the right preposition for this sentence. Number 5, I celebrate my birthday dash May 11. With a day, specific day, and month we shall use on, because it is not only a month, it also follow a day, 11th of May. Number 6, we will have vacation dash summer. At, in, on, none of these. So vacation in summer. So this is the right preposition for this sentence. They migrated dash Egypt to Italy. In, at, from, for. This is not a preposition of time, but it is a preposition. Migrated from Egypt to Italy, because this is a replacement of one place to another. Thanks for watching.